Another BOX from Michael Gegzno. I love that kind. Check this out. I already know what this is. Let's see if we can open it. That would be nice. It's one of these boxes that you have to cut all the tape and do all that good stuff. Don't cut towards you. Okay, well if I cut away from me, I won't cut it. Probably, there we go. We'll get to that in a second. Look what we have here, along with packing peanuts for LGR. Look what we have here. Oh, free Ziploc bag too, huh? A vintage can of 3-in-1 blue can. This one is a little older than mine because mine has the pop top like this that you got to pull it off. I haven't lost this yet in 25 years, so I'm going to make a point never to lose that. But there, now I have a vintage can to, here, I'll show you here, to go along with the new can. So now I have 3 blue cans, and none of them will be used. I'm going to stick with the red can because it fucking works. Okay? What's this? That's right, folks. You know where that's going to go, right? It's going to go right over here. Just smack it right on. Right there. Love it. Thanks again, Michael Gegzno. You know the drill, everyone. Make sure you hit like. Make sure you hit subscribe. Go to Michael Gegzno's channel, even though there's no videos. You got nothing to lose by subscribing. Once he gets over 1,000, he might make new videos. You got nothing to lose. It's not going to hurt anything. Go mash that subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.